It is 5:30 in the morning. Lucky boy went and drank way too much last night. Fucking idiot. But we're here. It's only half an hour late, and we've got some medicine to make it all better. You can't feel like shit if you're still pissed. So skipper of the ship is blasted, absolutely hammered. He's come in fucking 2 hours late. I was an hour late. This guy's 2 hours late, and he's drunk as a skunk. So we're off. Finally, the captain is drunk as fuck, and so am I. So it makes perfect for us both. Hey! We're on, boys. Look out. Fucking do it, mate. Get on me boat, you dog, you cunt. You filthy animal. We got the boys. Doing a bit of trolling. Big bit. Going out to Santa Fe Island. Go see if we get some fish out here. The sun's coming out. Get amongst you, boys.
Snow cone, so smart she's leading me to ozone. Music.
So our captain of the ship is taking a nap. He's a little bitch, and he can't find us any fish. Someone got on the beer derby last night. Yes, the boys. Fuck it on. We got some dinner, bitches. Fuck yeah, the boys! A double hook up. Yeah, the boys! For you.
2 times. 2 for 1. 2 for 1.
Double hook up. We're on, son. So Mark is plastered, but the cap down. He's cutting other fish for us. This, the manana, the tomorrow. I'm gonna make fish tacos after that. Hey, look out, the boys. And then tonight we're gonna go to the restaurant, and they're gonna cook it all up for us. Sashimi. There's some sushi and some other fucking bits and pieces. A bit of fucking air going. But, oi, Captain here. Good. Captain is a fucking legend.
No fish, no nothing.
No fish, no tips?
Yeah, no fish, no tips.
Bit of raw fish. Shimmy, baby. It's what we ate for tonight. Fuck yeah, the boys. Oh, we'll give these a fair crack, boys. We got a bit of fish. Day's done and dusted. The big man himself. Absolute legend. What are you doing? Oi, what's up? What's up? What's up, big boy? Hey?